Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review NoBlu Vision Glasses. NoBlu Vision Glasses are designed to reduce digital eye strain and protect your eyes from blue light, which comes from screens like phones, laptops, or TVs. Many people who spend long hours in front of screen look for glasses like this to avoid headaches, blurry vision, or trouble sleeping. The frames are usually lightweight and comfortable, make them easy to wear for work, gaming, or just browsing. Some users say they notice less eye fatigue and better sleep after using NoBlu Vision Glasses, while others feel the difference is not very big. The design is modern and can fit different styles, so you can wear them indoors or even outside. However, as with many blue light glasses, the results can vary depending on the person. Overall, NoBlu Vision Glasses can be useful if you often get tired eyes from screen time, but they are not a magic fix. They may help reduce strain, though the effect might be subtle for some people. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.